First true heavy wet snow.
Oh, is that what it's supposed to be?
Yeah. It's like 4 to 8 of the like air fluffy stuff that we've had in the past. It's like, oh, it's like a dusting again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
But they're not. They're saying this is not going to be that type of snow.
Yeah, this is going to be power line problem.
Jake.
Yeah.
Jake. Good boy. Jake, sit. No.
Jakey.
You just dragged Tugger.
He'll drag me if I let him.
Yeah.
Jake. Sit.
Oh, I think he's bleeding again.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sit.
Oh, maybe he just happened to step in the one spot that already had
No,
blood.
I think he is bleeding.
Yeah, he was just standing in it.
No, I think.
Oh, you think he is?
Just a little bit. But, yeah.
It seems you're slowing him down.
He could be missing a leg and he wouldn't slow him down. Which is why if I can get another hybrid dog, it might.